States and Poland.
The U.S. will deploy 1,000 additional troops to Poland. President Donald Trump made the announcement after meeting visiting Polish President Andrzej Duda. Poland currently hosts around 4,500 U.S. troops. President Duda says that an increased U.S. military presence is necessary to defend itself against Russia. Uganda has confirmed a second Ebola fatality as the virus spreads from the neighboring Democratic Republic of Congo. The woman was the grandmother of the first Ebola death, a 5-year-old boy. 2 other people remain in intensive care. Uganda has banned public gatherings in the Kasasi district where the patients are being treated.
309.
British lawmakers have defeated an attempt led by the opposition Labour Party to try to block a no-deal Brexit. Lawmakers voted against a measure which would have enabled politicians to seize control of the House of Commons later this month. If they had succeeded, it would have let them force the debate on introducing a new law to prevent a no-deal Brexit.